Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you guys the brand new Cash App Mood Collection and card. So there's a brand new Cash App card you can get. It's actually pretty cool. But first, let's take a look at this Mood Collection. There's 6 new pieces available at cashbycashapp.com. So let's open these up and see what they're all about. First of all, we got the crossbody bag. By the way, like the big thing about these is that they're like heat sensitive. So when you touch them, it does like a cool texture pattern. But there's the bag, 50 bucks. We got the Mood Bomber jacket. As always, Cash App merch kind of going hard. I couldn't pull off most of this stuff. We got the Mood V-neck pullover, 70 bucks. The Mood crew neck t-shirt. So this is probably the only one in this collection that I could pull off. Just a normal t-shirt here. Check out that line on the back. That's pretty interesting. I've ordered their t-shirts in the past and they fit really weird. So I wonder if they've updated that at all. This one's really cool actually. We've got the Mood hoodie, 80 bucks. Similar to the t-shirt, it's got a weird liner on the inside. And the Mood bucket hat. That's pretty crazy. When you touch these things, they change color. But let's go ahead and get into the Cash App card here. So there's a brand new Cash App card. We can go in Cash App, go to the card screen, scroll down to the bottom and tap Design New Card. This is going to give us the options for purchasing a new Cash App card. And as you can see here, we have this new version called Mood. It's $5 to get this. It's like this weird lizard skin looking thing. Let's go ahead and tap on this. It's a mood ring in your wallet. Each card uses heat reactive ink to change colors when you handle it. You can also see when you put your finger on it here and move it around. That's pretty crazy. Also, when you go into the personalized card screen and you draw on this to customize it, it does the same effect. So pretty crazy stuff happening within the app here. So yeah, there's the new Mood collection and new Mood card that you can get for Cash App. I have tons of other videos on my channel explaining how to use Cash App in this card. So definitely check those out if you're interested in learning more. Let us know what you think of this new drop down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.